What's up, Motor Dudes Television Gang, man? I'm back at it again, and as you can see, we got the kiddos with us. I'm in a pickup truck. I ain't told y'all yet. I don't think I'm gonna make a video about it. I'm just gonna tell y'all. But the Durango is down.
In 1.1 miles,
it needs,
they're right to merge onto I-95 south towards Alexandria.
So it needs a wiring harness. There's nothing with the engine. I mean, I already told y'all that. To me, I can put a harness on it. I'm just choosing not to. So we're in a U-Haul right now, and we're going to pick up the new engine. Well, the remanufactured engine for my car. I don't know how, if I wanted to do any like time lapse or anything like that, how I would, because I'm driving. As you can see, if you can see, get there at 3:22, about 12 now, 12:30. We got the old Chevy. Yeah, we're about to go pick it up. It's a remanufactured 6.1 for right now because my engine was damaged. As I told y'all, 2 cylinders needed to be re-sleeved and the heads was damaged. I don't know, I guess it took a crap. One thing I didn't do, that truck sound good. But one thing I didn't do was I didn't change all the seats. I changed a couple, like from the first time when the valve came off or whatever. I changed one of them or whatever. I mean, yeah, it was only one that was messed up, so I changed that one, and then it did it again. So I think the motor just had enough. Stuff just kept working. So we're just gonna go on a clean chapter because I never knew what was what with that engine from the get-go. And
continue straight on, then use the right lane to bear right to merge onto I-95 south towards Alexandria.
So I gotta go 2 hours out. Yeah, 2 hours out. We're meeting in the middle, the guy. Meeting him in the middle. He stays towards like Kentucky and stuff. So I catch y'all in the next part. I don't know. I just catch y'all when I get there because I can't really do a time lapse. I'm driving unless I get the kids to do it. It's an idea.
What do you say?
Uh-oh, y'all heard that.
Use the right lane to bear right to merge onto I-95
I had to use my merging ability. But yeah, I catch y'all back. So we got us a nice purple dually in front of us. This is right after I just cut the camera off. I was trying to do a little time lapse. They got the hood stack. Is that what they? I mean, not hood stack, but they got the. I guess it's called a stack. It's just not called a hood stack. But they got the one in the truck bed. Y'all couldn't see nothing on what it looks like. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the viewer. I'll probably get my nephew Joshua or my son just to, I don't know. We're gonna see what kind of camcorders we got. This is an experiment right here. You see it. You can't really see it. But I'm gonna go back to the time lapse, guys. We're gonna get the little camcorders right here to do the time lapse. Had to put y'all down for a second. But I think this a cat. It looks like it. I seen the badge on the side. Oh, he might be faking him. It's like, nah, I think it's a cat though. I am still driving, so I don't want to just...
What car was that?
Yeah, it's a cat. Most definitely. He got the red paddle shifters. I'm looking all in this car. Oh, and he got the face shield. That joint trying to look good. Yeah. He see me record though. So we got some work on our hands, guys, with our camera crew. But in due time they'll get better. This is the first time I let them record. I don't know, this is the first time I've took them really on stuff like that. Well, I took my son was with me when I dropped the interlock. But they still a little shaky, guys. Get better due time.
I don't use phones.
I am. Huh?
I don't use phones. My dad got a little camera actually.
Oh, you bougie, huh? That's what you're trying to say? But, because I keep looking over at him because I'm trying to see what he's recording, I'm just going to cut it out. I mean, I'm not going to cut it out. I'm going to put the stuff in. I'm just not. I'm just need to focus on driving. So, to be safe, so I make it there and back. We just going to ride until we get there. So I catch y'all when I get there. It's 12:50. We get there at 3:12. What you say? What red light? Oh, you see the sign? Oh,
Two red lights.
you're looking at the map. All right, so guys, I had to make a quick stop, right quick. You know, I needed gas anyway. He a little behind. He said he called it flat. So I'm right here. Burger King with double dipping is strongly encouraged. Got the kids eating, you know. We all double dipping. He didn't really want to eat his food, my son, but he'll be hungry later on. I ain't ate all day. Oh, and I gave him part tart earlier. So, y'all want some fries? Want some fries, Joshua? Share the wealth, baby. So, we right here enjoying our meal, and I'm not doing no more time lapse. So, the next time I pick up the camera, it might be the car I want to show, or we are there. Oh. I get back at y'all in the next clip. See y'all. Peace. He trying to cut me off now, but nigga got a Hellcat badge under the Cummins symbol. Like, damn. You Mopar and all, but damn, you. That's a little off, buddy.
Why are we driving slow?
Why? Show that badge, Joshua. The Hellcat badge. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all right quick. I'm about to get all this stuff out the car. I finally made it. He said he's about 5. Ooh, this truck fancy. But got some board to put down just in case. Just as an in case.
I'm sorry.
I don't know, we even put this over top. He said he wrapped it as well. We would put it over top, or on the bottom. It doesn't matter. And
I told you that was Casper. I was like, Casper and ice. Casper and ice. She's like,
then we got the 2 straps. We're gonna lay it on the side. He should be pulling up any minute.
baby.
What the fuck? That's a Z right there.
Dang.
Big old challenge.
All these cars have new brakes.
Go ahead, man. What they
Stop.
Alright guys, so we're getting back on the road. I got the engine and everything. Nothing don't look out of the ordinary. I can see new valves, new gaskets and stuff. He said he went in and everything and did everything over. So I believe him. The only thing, like the oil pan, you know, it's an oil pan. It don't look brand new. The only reason he gave me another oil pan because he dropped mine when he was loading it and cracked it. So you can see a new what they call Remand seal and everything. You know, I can't see beyond the timing cover because that's on there. They put some plugs in there, but I'm going to take them out and change them anyway.
Joshua, you could take
What else? He said he put a new thermostat in there. I'm going to just run that for right now. Then might got to get some more idler pulleys and stuff. And that's going to be that. I don't know if I showed y'all, but there you go. It's strapped down in the bed. Everything. So I catch y'all when I get back and I actually start showing y'all stuff. Just enjoy this 2-hour ride back home. Peace, guys. They got some ice cream. They enjoy their ice cream. Tell them see y'all when we get back, alright?
Don't let it back.
Guys, I'm almost home. You got that. It was just a skyline somewhere behind us. Right-hand drive as well. I put it on my Instagram. I'm just gonna crop it out and put it in the video. I know he ain't fly past me. It's that Evo and him. I don't know. I just add the video because I don't think he's coming.
Baby.
What the fuck? That's a Z right there.
Dang.
Big old challenge.
All these cars have new brakes.
Go ahead, man. What y'all on? And that joint right wheels drive. Look, you hear that joint?
I hear it.
Yeah, so you can see new valve. It's got little carbon build up. Everything is everything. I'm gonna take this tape off. I didn't get to look at the exhaust side. But everything is everything with this car. I paid $3,700, and my engine was a core which was damaged. But I probably would have got it cheaper if my engine wasn't as bad, or he would have just rebuilt my engine. Everything is everything. So that's gonna be it for this part of this video. Hopefully next time y'all see this in about a day or two, I should be firing this engine up. Yeah. I need this car now. Catch y'all now.